My neighbors, let me show you how to make something delicious and satisfying for breakfast. You're going to go in with 2 thirds cup of flour in a bowl, sift it in, going with half teaspoon of baking powder. If you have yeast, you can also use yeast in place of the baking powder. Going with 1 tablespoon of sugar, a little bit of butter, which is about 1 teaspoon. You're going to start mixing this and adding your water bit by bit. The approximate amount of water you're going to add is 1 tablespoon, 1 to 2 tablespoon of water. Mix and combine this very well, knead it into a dough, allow this to rest for 10 minutes. When this has rested, bring it out and start rolling. You want to make this flat, okay? When it is flat, you're going to go ahead and cook it on your pan. You want to do this on low heat. This is like having breakfast without bread, something to substitute for bread if you are trying to cut down on your calories, okay? So you're going to go ahead and cook this on both sides until they are brown. Now we're going to be making the extras that we'll be serving this week. Go ahead, slice up some carrots and cabbage, set aside. Now you're going to fry some plantains. Add oil into your pan. Fry your plantains until they are golden brown. I used ripe plantains for this because I love the taste that it usually gives in breakfast. So you want to use ripe plantains too for this. So when this is done, drain it out from your oil and set aside. Now we're going to prepare the sauce or the filling we'll be using for this. Okay, so in a bowl, I'm going to go in with 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, some beef broth, some red chili pepper. I'm going to mix this together and start layering my breakfast combo. This was so satisfying. I added in some diced cabbage and carrot. I'll go in with some fried plantain. I'll go with beef. I already had this beef prepared, cooked and seasoned. I diced them up nicely for the purpose of this. Now I'm going to go in with my sauce. I'll repeat this process a second time, and guys, our breakfast is ready. I had this with some cucumber drink. I made this, and the combination was so delicious. You can have this with any drink of your choice, but I recommend a fruit juice for satisfaction. This will satisfy you, and the taste is so amazing, so delicious, and your family will love this. Tell me what you think about this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.